Hello dear listeners, in my last video I have spoken about Lac Defloratum in more detail and a little bit about Lac Buffalo. Keep in mind, Lac Buffalo is the remedy which is made from the buffalo's milk. In today's video, I will try to differentiate both of the remedies. Although Lac Buffalo is the new remedy, but its overall issue are almost the same as we discussed in Lac Defloratum. Now let's talk about Lac Buffalo. So you can see the family issue or taking care of family or nurturing others or sacrificing themselves for the well-being of others is very prominent themes in lac remedies or milk remedies. Furthermore, you can also find a desire for love or attachment with the family. It's also run through almost in all milk remedies. Now about specifically Lac Defloratum or Lac Buffalo. These people want a peaceful or harmonious environment in the family. Personality wise, they are very mild and polite. They put other desires or need or wishes first by expressing their own desires or needs for the family. They are workaholics, specifically serving family members, uh, their children, their husbands. So you can also see that these people are very down to earth people. Despite they are serving all the family members, but still they feel that they have no value in the family. These are the features what you can see in Lac Defloratum and Lac Buffalo in both remedies. But what make Lac Defloratum and Lac Buffalo different from each other is that their energy is different from each other. Lac Buffalo is more masculine energy, but on the other side, Lac Defloratum is more feminine energy. Lac Defloratum is more like mothers, but Lac Buffalo is more like a father figure for the family. So Lac Buffalo, they put enormous effort to unite whole family. They feel responsible for the entire family, while Lac Defloratum are more nurturing kind of personality. Although Lac Buffalo is also nurturing, but they are like more responsible in order to protect them. They are like leaders of the family who keep everybody together. That's why you see that these people take responsibility for the financial matter as well. So some of the important features what you can see in Buffalo are that they are responsible for the safety and security of the group, especially their family. They try to unite the whole group, the whole family. They keep all together for the safety and security of the family. So you can see that they put a lot of effort to unite the whole group. So they like this social gatherings, the iftar parties, because then the whole family get together. Then there is another theme what you can see is that they are the leaders of the group or the family, but they are very mild kind of leaders. They don't impose their wishes on others. That's make it different from the Lac Leone or some other remedies which has this very profound feeling of controlling their family. But they feel very responsible for the weaker member of the family. In return, they desire to be respected from others, which is not very prominent in Lac Defloratum. Lac Defloratum is complete down to earth. They don't expect anything from you. But Lac Buffalo, they have this responsibility issue and respect issue very prominent, which you don't see in Lac Defloratum. That's why self-confidence and high ego levels are very prominent in Buffalo patients as compared to the Lac Defloratum patients. As I said, they are very down to earth. Keep in mind, Buffalo patients are aggressive as well. So they are not like the Lac Defloratum who are very mild and they don't show anger. But Lac Buffalo, they show their anger if somebody don't listen to them or somebody tries to go against them. But keep in mind, they do not start fight. If someone starts fight with them, then they retaliate in self-defense. So this is the difference between Lac Defloratum and Lac Buffalo. As I said, the Lac Buffalo they are more masculine energies. So you don't see the abuse issues, the maltreatment issue, the sacrifice issue. They are not very prominent in Lac Buffalo, but you can see those themes in Lac Defloratum definitely. That they have this sacrifice issues, they are maltreated in the family, they has been used in the family for the sake of the betterment of the family. So they work, they nurture everyone without taking care of themselves. Let me explain this beautiful remedy with the help of my personal experience of this substance. In my last video, I've shared my personal experience, a dream which I got during the proving of buffalo. I want to share again the same dream with you so you can get more deeper understanding of this beautiful substance. And actually, that proving make me so confident in my practice to prescribe Lac Defloratum or a buffalo as a remedy. Both remedies are very much similar to each other. Now, about my experience of this substance. During the proving of white buffalo, I got a very profound dream that me and my friends are in castle-like building which is next to the seaside. And this castle is surrounded by the army, the Nazi army, and they want to kill all of us. So in the dream, when I realized that now this army is about to enter into the building, I asked my friends to run from the back door, and I stay there to give myself to the army so my friends get enough time to escape. So the army captured me and killed me by cutting me in half from here, from the chest. They opened the chest from here. But at that moment, I have no feeling of my sacrifice. But I was just looking at my friends, whether they are safely escaped or not. So this kind of sacrifice you can see in these remedies. And their whole life revolve around family and in some cases friends. Jita listeners, this was today's talk. I hope you understood this beautiful substance and also the difference between both very interesting remedies. If you have any questions or if you have any experience with this remedy, please do let me know by emailing me or sending me a message. See you next time with another video. Bye.